Ladies and gentlemen, I guess I'm very fortunate because I live near the International Showman's Carnival Museum. Something that's interesting about this is it's not open to the public. It's for members of the International Showman's Event Center. A friend of mine got me tickets to the trade show as well, which is where they sell their signs and their tickets, and they even sell rides, which a carny ride can be anywhere from $10,000 to $500,000. You can actually buy what they call joints too, which is a food stand, a food joint. While I was checking out some pictures on the wall, I asked a few carnival workers, a few older carnival workers, some retired, one in his 80s, to tell me about one picture in particular. I asked him about this young lady, who he said he personally knew. Her name was Grace McDaniels, the Mule Girl. At first I thought that Gracie had neurofibromatosis like this gentleman and the Elephant Man, which are tumors that slowly but surely cover the entire body. Turns out, I was wrong. She just had a bad case of Sturge-Weber syndrome, much like Darius Devlin here, and thousands of other people in the United States. You probably know this as a port wine stain. Nowadays, the discoloration is treated with lasers and can really make a difference. But you can see that Grace's condition is a little more extreme than most cases you would see. Now, my personal speculation is that maybe she had something more than just a port wine stain. You can see some of the images that are in color are actually of her figure that are on display at the Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum, and they don't particularly show the discoloration. But like I said, I speculate maybe there was something more to the tumors. Leave a comment below if you agree. Ripley's Believe It or Not had her billed as the world's ugliest woman, a term that she took offense to, and she traveled as the mule-faced woman. All reports I've ever read said that she was a sweet lady, a wonderful mom. She made tremendous money for her era, up to $175 per day. She and her son, who was her manager, performed in the circus until 1958 when she passed away. Some reports I've read, though, say that her son Elmer, seen here, who was her manager, was verbally abusive towards her. I can't verify that with any first-hand accounts, and I certainly hope that that's not true. I'm going to leave you with this image of the circus that she traveled with for years. If you look closely at one point in the background, you'll actually see the banner that they had advertising the mule-faced girl, and it'll be a picture that represents her and her son. If you enjoyed this video and if you enjoy hearing about medical oddities, marvels, and interesting skin conditions, please subscribe to this channel. We'll post new videos every single week. Alright, so I have a question for you. If you had this condition in the 1920s, would you join the circus and make tons of money, or suffer through this alone at home, living a quiet life with your family? Leave a comment and let us know what you would do. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.
Hey folks, check out this 24 karat gold anti-wrinkle beauty peel mask. It's the latest and greatest in skincare that's worked its way over from Asia. They're somewhat similar to the activated carbon blackhead peel masks, which focus more on deep pore cleaning and tug on the skin a little bit harder upon peeling. The gold mask focuses more on skin smoothing, and the gold itself helps to replenish collagen and accelerate collagen renewal. So for smoother, healthier skin, try this 24 karat gold peel. Check out the link below.
I feel really smooth and fresh, refreshing.